first thing you need is to moisturize. So having your prep skin is the most important part to having a dewy face, or dewy skin I should say. This lotion right here, this moisturizer, this is from I got this at Marshall's for about, I think, $5 if I remember correctly. But they do sell this on Amazon for about 15, and it's a really big bottle. You get a lot in here. So this is the 5x5 Medix Collagen Plus Caviar Age Control Moisturizer. Looks like that. So I'm gonna do one nice pump like that, and I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Now I'm gonna go in with my primer that I'm gonna use. So the primer I'm using is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Lotion. Looks like that. This one is in the medium, light medium. Yeah, this is the light glow. So I'm gonna apply this all over my skin. So I love this because this is a glowtion. So it's a lotion with a natural glow enhancer. So as you can see, it's gonna make my skin super nice and glowy while giving me the hydration that I need, especially now in the winter that my skin is feeling absolutely dry. I love this lotion so freaking much. Or I should say glotion. So now we're gonna be going into our foundation, but before that I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. So wow, I didn't even blend it on my nose. I didn't even see that. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick because usually I like to have my primer to set into my skin before I start my foundation. So I'm gonna usually I do my eyebrows for that time being, so I will be right back for that. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows really quick. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is my foundation. So for this foundation I specifically chose the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth because obviously I'm doing a dewy foundation look, so why would I not use this one? So I love this one because it just gives me the right amount of dewiness without making it look oily and giving me the correct coverage that I definitely need. I'm gonna just dot this all over my face. I tried using a lot of different drugstore brands in this video. You will see that I'm using L'Oreal, CoverGirl, e.l.f., just a bunch of different drugstores because, I mean, there's just not one set drugstore brand that I love. I love all of them, so that's exactly what I'm doing. So now it's like super cloudy, so the lighting keeps changing, so hopefully it does not affect the video whatsoever because that would suck really badly. But yeah, today is New Year's Eve and I am just going for a really simple look because, I mean, we're not spending it with anyone, it's just the family. Right now I'm just gonna go eat some Salvadorian sandwiches with my aunt at her house. And then later on they're coming over for some menudo that my parents made. Or their mom was making, actually. No. So, I started off my New Year's right. I freaking went to the gym. I woke up this morning and I was like, okay, if I really want to achieve my dreams, I am gonna go and to the gym, get it done, which I did, and I completed my my goal for the day because I do have an Apple Watch. I took it off for this video because I don't want it to be in the way, but I completed what I needed for the day. Next I'm going to do my concealer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer. I chose this one because obviously on the name it says Pro Glow, and I actually really like this this concealer. So I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes. So this unfortunately does have kind of a little bit of a scent, so if you are sensitive to the eyes, which I kind of am, it kind of stings, but it'll go away. It doesn't last forever. As soon as you blend it out, the stinginess just goes away. I don't feel it throughout the day. So but yeah, I went to the gym, I freaking came back, I cleaned up my room. So I mean, there's just like a couple things on my bed, but my room is all cleaned. Next I'm going to be going in with my NYX HD finishing powder just to set the concealer down because I do not want my concealer to be creasing. But yeah, I am filming so much this break before I go back to work because I want to be able to upload. That's another one of my New Year's resolutions, is to basically upload more often. I really want to achieve, like, I really want to not make YouTube a career but more of a side hustle. I enjoy doing videos. I'm a pretty creative person and I just freaking enjoy it so much, just filming and creating content for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying the cream contour that I'm using. So the palette that I'm using is the e.l.f. This is the cream contour palette that I'm using, and I'm gonna be using the darkest shade in here. I'm applying it actually with a Sonia Kashuk foundation brush, and I'm gonna be blending it out with a different brush. So I'm just gonna apply it with this brush just to get the line. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a little cream shop contour brush. So I'm gonna be blending upwards. I'm just gonna be setting it with a little bronzer. This is the Milani Radiant Bronzer. I don't have the top to it anymore, and as you can tell, I hit pan, and I don't want to throw it away because this is actually really good. So I'm just gonna set that with that. Okay, so I pray that the background is not too loud because my sister's taking a shower and stuff, and she put her music. So if it is too loud, I'm gonna have to mute this whole thing. But anyways, continuing on. Sorry if the lighting's changed because I just came back from my aunt's house eating Salvadorian sandwiches. So they were very delicious, let me just say. So now we're gonna go with the blush. So the blush that I'm gonna be using is the CoverGirl Soft Mink. So it's just one of their new ones. This is kind of like a mauve-y pink. So I'm gonna be using my AOA F13 blush brush, and this has a little bit of shimmer in it, so which is perfect for me. So I'm gonna tap out the excess, and then I'm just gonna lightly dust it on my cheeks and then bring it out, if you know what I mean, like bring it back to my hairline, I guess, giving me a little bit of shine, which I absolutely adore, because we're doing a, oh my god, everyone's gonna start putting music on. I'm so mad. I'm gonna have to like do this over, like a voiceover for this, because people in the back are putting on music, my sister's taking a shower. This is becoming absolutely terrible. Anyway, so then last but not least, I'm gonna be going in with my CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner palette. So this is a highlighting palette, and I'm gonna be using this wonderful little white shade right here. It's from e.l.f. I'm gonna be ordering new brushes because now that I'm looking at it, I don't have a lot of variety. So anyways, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush, and I'm just gonna take the white, not the white, but like the lightest shade on here, and just apply it onto the tops of my cheeks. Oh my god, I love the way this is so shiny. Okay, this video is slowly turning into a hot freaking mess. But basically, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. It's just gonna be very simple, and I will be right back. But that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.